On there, everyone. So today the slope is like on hold because of the wind. Hopefully it won't close because of the wind. But if it does, pretty sure me and my aunt will find something to do. Not so sure what, but who knows? Might find something to do. But we'll find out for sure whether or not it will be closed for the, like for the day, or we'll just go skiing a little bit because they decided to just have the green like all open up because it was too dangerous on the blue because of the wind. Anyway, I would like to keep you guys updated and let you know for sure if it's going to be open or closed for the day. Until then, stay tuned. Well, turnout won't be going skiing today due to the wind. So therefore, going to go ahead and drop off the ski and boot and pole at the rental place. And once that's done, then we'll go find something to do. For all I know, I might read the Magic Treehouse book some more to my aunt.
Yep.
That all I might do. And I think that probably might be about it. I might decide to read the book while we are outside. If that's the case, I guess that's fine. That'd be like a lot better than bowling inside on a nice day. If you know what I mean. Because on a nice day, could be outside reading a book right now. But on a crummy day, like if it's raining, then I'd rather be inside.
Yep.
But on a nice day like today, that's the time to like read a book. So I think that's what I'll probably do if read.
Rippin' Willies. Here we go.
Until then, stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and get this vlog like all wrapped up for tonight. I went to the gym. I was on the treadmill for about a good 20 minutes, both a walk and a run. Which that's not bad, I suppose. Then went for a long walk to the bowling alley, and I bowl only one game, and we came back to our hotel, watched 2 movies. What 2 probably like good enough. Anyway, now that we have watched our 2 movies, I'm going to let the tablet mine charge up, and hopefully it'll be fully charged tomorrow. If not, oh well, nothing I can do about it. Until then, I will see you guys all tomorrow. Peace